Now this is a boring video.
So we're in Eli. We're going to driving tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Then we're going to the fair.
Oh yeah.
Then
We're
we're
gonna,
going to bar after the fair.
cause that's all we do is drink.
Dryden is 4 hours away. That's where we're going.
More traveling for me. Unfortunately.
There goes my eye again.
Spastic eye. How was your drive in the city today, Tara?
Horrible. Yeah. Apparently when emergency vehicles come, people don't move over. So you have a fire truck behind you going, eep. Seriously though? That woman looked right at me as I was trying to get into the lane. And I would let the fire truck go by. She didn't let me go. So I had this fire truck behind me.
You just did the crazy eyes.
I had a fire truck yelling at me. Ooh. Oh. Can I move? No, because I can't. And then as I merged into the actual lane the fire truck passed, I wasn't in the right lane. I was straddling 2 lanes, so I had people coming behind me, and then I had people trying to cut me off. So it was either I get smushed.
It's a really, really good story, I'm just saying.
Okay. You have people behind you, and you can see them going. And you can't do anything, and then you have a big ass transfer. Was it Mundo? Mundo's food service was coming out.
How do you remember that?
I have a really good memory. My memory.
No, you don't.
No, I do. I remember stupid stuff. I don't remember good stuff. I remember stupid stuff.
Okay.
I remember what I was wearing when I first met you.
Do you? And what was that?
I was wearing these jeans, actually. And
Can't see your jeans.
no, they have a hole in them now.
Okay, I'm bored. No. I don't like being on camera.
You have to be on it.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
How can you have this account and not be on camera?
Because I'm the taker, not the... You're an asshole. Just saying. Just saying.
You have to be on camera.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.